Thanks for coming to our channel to watch this video. If you like this video and want to purchase the entire course, you can click the link in the description. If you're watching this on mobile, you can click the downward arrow here and it is going to show you the link where you can purchase the entire course relating to international taxation. Let us look at a few more examples on GAAR. India Chem, an Indian company, sets up a unit in SEZ in financial year 13-14 for manufacturing of chemicals. So there is a company, let's call this as India Chem. It has set up a unit in an SEZ. It claims 100% reduction of profits earned from that unit in financial year 21-22 and subsequent years as per section 10AA of the Act. An SEZ is entitled to certain deductions under section 10AA and this entity claimed that deduction in respect of the SEZ. The issue is whether GAAR is applicable. Now, setting up production facilities in an SEZ to claim tax deduction on sale of production is a case of tax mitigation. Mitigation मतलब reduce करना, खत्म करना. लेकिन according to the law, wherein a taxpayer is availing the benefit provided by the statute, submitting to the conditions and economic consequences of the provision in the legislation. ये law में ही provided है आपको. इस वजह से अगर आप कोई benefit claim करते हैं जो law में provided है, उस केस में GAAR applicable नहीं होगा.